I was really impressed with Stadium Takeaways today, the one in Curie Avenue. I bought a double beef burger and a double chicken burger and also a double vegetarian burger and the large chips, and it all was absolutely delicious. It was really nice. And 1 liter Coke as well, and it worked me at 270 Rand for everything. That was really not expensive at all. And I also bought this for dessert. Is skoonma se koeksisters for $42.99. I bought it at Gardenia Square. So I have to taste what it tastes like. I haven't tasted this before. So there goes. Nice and crispy. With a rich taste. It is really nice. Bit on the sweet side, but that's what's called dessert. I rate this koeksisters an 8.3 out of 10. Thanks guys, tot next time. Love you all, eh?